Is this thing recording? Hello, can anybody hear me? Welcome to my channel. I know it's not a channel, it's just a random dude on TV or screen or monitor or whatever playing with some paint. But guess what I've been doing? I've been playing with some paint. I know this is stupid, so ignore all this, and I'm gonna show you a couple little pieces I've been working on. So hold on. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here I have a little itty bitty 4x4 tile I've been playing with. Obviously it looks mainly green, but there is a little bit of purple and a little bit of orange in there somewhere. Like, I don't know if you can see, like right there, and maybe a little bit of orange right over there. Focus. And then I got another little piece. Where'd it go? There he is. Another little piece with the primary colors and with some black lacing and some other boo. Anyways, I'm getting ready to pour another little pour, and yeah, y'all might be able to get to see it.